What is phishing and how can you protect against it? Phishing remains one of the most pervasive cyber threats. Deceptive messages are crafted to trick users into revealing credentials, financial data, or installing malware. Originating in the mid-1990s, phishing has evolved into a sophisticated weapon. Attackers now use AI and social media intelligence to craft highly convincing campaigns. Today, attacks range from mass email phishing to precision spear phishing, whaling to target executives, smishing via SMS, and phishing through phone calls. Phishing is at the root of most business email compromise incidents. The financial and reputational impact can last months, with operational disruption, regulatory fines, and credential theft compounding the threat. A layered defense, including advanced email filters, sandboxing, multi-factor authentication, and threat intelligence is essential to protect your organization from phishing attacks. Continuous security awareness training with phishing simulations and easy report buttons will also empower your organization to detect, respond, and report phishing at scale. Want to learn more? Visit arcticwolf.com and explore our cybersecurity glossary to stay informed and defend against evolving threats.